Good morning, students. Today we are continuing the topic cannabinoids. Alcohol and drug abuse only we are learning now. In that, cannabinoids are a group of. Already we had learned. I thought that I will start from here. Cannabinoids are a group of chemicals which interact with the cannabinoid receptors. Where cannabinoid receptors are present in the brain only, principally in the brain. Cannabinoid receptors present principally in the brain. Natural cannabinoids are obtained from the inflorescence of the plant Cannabis sativa. Natural cannabinoids are obtained from the inflorescences of the plant Cannabis sativa. The flower tops, leaves, and resin of cannabis plant are used in various combinations to produce marijuana, hashish, charas, and ganja. Natural cannabinoids are obtained from the inflorescence of the plant Cannabis sativa. The flower tops, leaves, and the resin of cannabis plant are used in various combinations to produce marijuana, hashish, charas, and ganja. Generally taken by inhalation and oral ingestion, these are known for their effects of cardiovascular system of the body. Generally taken by inhalation, understood like this one, inserting into the nose and inhaling. And oral ingestion, these are known for their effects on cardiovascular system of the body. Coca alkaloid or cocaine is obtained from coca plant, Erythrocylum coca, native to South America. Coca alkaloid or cocaine is obtained from coca plant, Erythrocylum coca, native to South America. It interferes with the transport of the neurotransmitter dopamine. It interferes with the transport of the neurotransmitter dopamine. Cocaine commonly called coke or crack. Cocaine commonly called coke or crack is usually snorted. Snorted means breathing through the nose like this. It has a potent stimulating action on central nervous system. Stimulating action. Hallucinations will be developed. Hallucination means daydreaming. A good feeling. Daydreaming. A good feeling, exaggerated feeling will be developed. It has a potent stimulating action on central nervous system, producing a sense of euphoria, and increased energy. Excessive dosage of cocaine causes hallucinations. Other well-known plants with hallucinogenic properties are Atropa belladonna and Datura. Other well-known plants with hallucinogenic properties are Atropa belladonna and Datura. These days, cannabinoids are also being abused by some sports persons. These days, cannabinoids are also being abused by some sports persons for exaggerating their feelings. So drugs like barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines, lysergic acid diethylamides, LSD, and other similar drugs that are normally used as medicines to help patients cope with mental illnesses like depression and insomnia. Depression and insomnia means sleepless conditions. So drugs like barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines, lysergic acid diethylamides, and other similar drugs that are normally used as medicines to help patients cope with mental illness like depression and insomnia. Mental illness like depression and insomnia are often abused. Morphine is a very effective sedative and painkiller. Morphine is a very effective sedative and painkiller and is very useful in patients who have undergone surgery. This morphine is given. So very effective sedative only. Sedative means depressing the feelings of the body. As a result, pain is not known. So and is very useful in patients who have undergone surgery. Several plants, fruits and seeds having hallucinogenic properties have been used for hundreds of years in folk medicine, religious ceremonies and rituals all over the globe. Several plants, fruits and seeds having hallucinogenic properties. Hallucinogenic properties have been used for hundreds of years in folk medicine in tribal medicines, religious ceremonies in Shivaratri and Bang, like that drink is coming under this barbiturates only. Like this drug only, that Bang drinking during Navaratri festival like that, all over the globe. When these are taken for the purpose other than medicinal use or in amounts, or in amounts, frequency that impairs one physical, physiological or psychological functions, it constitutes drug abuse only. It constitutes the drug abuse. Smoking also paves the way to harder drugs. Tobacco has been used by human beings for more than 400 years. Smoking also paves the way to hard drugs. Tobacco has been used by human beings for more than 400 years. More than 400 years. It is smoked, chewed also, used as a snuff also. Snuff means taken through the nose. Tobacco contains a large number of chemical substances including nicotine and alkaloid. Tobacco contains a large number of chemical substances including nicotine and alkaloid. Nicotine stimulates adrenal gland to release adrenaline and noradrenaline into blood circulation. Nicotine stimulates adrenal gland to release adrenaline and noradrenaline into blood circulation, both of which raise blood pressure and increase heart rate only. By this, blood pressure increases and heartbeat also increases. Smoking is associated with increased incidence of cancers of lung. Smoking is associated with increased incidence of cancers of lungs, urinary bladder and throat, bronchitis, emphysema, coronary heart diseases, gastric ulcer, etc. Smoking is associated with the increased incidence of cancers of lung, urinary bladder and throat, bronchitis, emphysema, coronary heart diseases, gastric ulcer, etc. See that smoking is very injurious only, take it care. Smoking is associated with increased incidence of cancers of lung, urinary bladder, throat, bronchitis, emphysema, coronary heart diseases, gastric ulcer also can be caused by this one. So smoking means directly you don't want to smoke. Passive smoking also possible only by standing near to the smokers also can be. Anybody is smoking at your home or through constantly they are standing near to the smoking, like that also it can be. Tobacco chewing is also associated with the increased risk of cancer of the oral cavity. Smoking increases carbon monoxide content in blood and reduces the concentration of hemobound oxygen. Smoking increases carbon monoxide content in the blood and reduces oxygen deficiency in the body. Smoking increases carbon monoxide content in blood, and reduces the concentration of hemobound oxygen. This causes oxygen deficiency in the body only. When one buys packets of cigarettes, one cannot miss the statutory warning that present on the packing, which warns against smoking also. On the packet is also there through the advertisement, and before the film starts also, they are giving the statutory warning. What is? Cigarette smoking is injurious to health. Yet smoking is very prevalent in society, both among young and old. Knowing the dangers of smoking and chewing tobacco and its addictive nature, the youth and old need to avoid these habits. So many side effects are there for that. See that one more time I show. So you have to avoid, everybody, full society. See, smoking is associated with increased incidence of cancers of lung. Are you knowing that how much painful disease is the cancer? It is the most painful disease, cancer. Urinary bladder, throat, bronchitis, emphysema, coronary heart diseases, gastric ulcer, etc. etc. Not finishing there also. Why can't you avoid these many diseases? That also serious diseases are causing. Then why you can't be? Why society can be avoided? So you have to advise the society to remove the smoking also. Try to type in that manner also. Knowing the dangers of smoking and chewing tobacco, and it is in addictive in nature, the youth and old need to avoid these habits. Any addict requires counseling and medical help to get rid of the habit. Now, adolescence and drug alcohol abuse. Adolescents need both a period and a process. Actually, it is a process also. Body is making some process to make you to become adult. It is the period in between childhood and adulthood. So, body biological process are also very fast in the body. It is a period in the life of everybody faces, which a child become mature in terms of his or her attitudes and beliefs for affecting participation in the society. In terms of his her or attitude also developing and a particular belief also there to effective participation in the society. The period between 12 to 18 years of age may be thought of as adolescence period. In other words, adolescence is a bridge linking childhood and adulthood. Linking childhood and adulthood. Adolescence is accompanied by several biological and behavioral changes. Adolescence is accompanied by several biological and behavioral changes. Adolescence, this is a very vulnerable phase of mental and psychological development of an individual. Adolescence, this is a very vulnerable phase of mental and psychological development of an individual. Curiosity, need for adventure and excitement and experimentation constitute common causes which motivate youngsters towards drug and alcohol. Actually, this adolescent ages people are doing, they are because of their anxiety or curiosity, how it works in our body. For seeing that only many of them are attracting towards this alcohol and drug abuse. Everybody friends saying and some magazine saying. So how it experience in our body? What is the experience of using this? To identify that only motivate youngsters towards the drug and alcohol. A child's natural curiosity motivates him or her to experiment. This is complicated further by effects that might be perceived as benefits of alcohol or drug use. Thus, the first use of drugs or alcohol may be out of curiosity only, or experimentation, what it does in our body, how it works in our body. After using why everybody are using this, for knowing that curiosity or experimentation. But later, the child starts using this to escape facing problems. Child starts using this to escape facing problems. Of late, stress from pressures to excel in academics or examination has played a significant role in persuading the youngsters to try alcohol and drugs. Of late, stress from pressures to excel in academics. Adolescence period is related with education only. To pressures to excel in academics or examination has played a significant role in persuading the youngsters to try alcohol and drugs. The perception among youth that it is cool or progressive to smoke, use drugs or alcohol is also in a way a major cause for youth to start these habits. Television, movies, newspapers, internet also help to promote this perception. Other factors that have been seen to be associated with the drug and alcohol abuse among adolescents are unstable or unsupportive family structures and peer pressure. Another reason, one reason already, excel in academic pressure. Parents are pressurizing, teachers are pressurizing to excel in academic or examination. Also one reason. And second reason is that it is cool only. Television, movies, newspapers, internet also help it to promote this perception of alcohol or drug. Other factors associated with the drug and alcohol abuse among adolescents are unstable or unsupportive. Unstable or unsupportive family structures and peer pressure. Adolescents are unstable or unsupportive family structures and pressure. Family support is not there. Father is going his own way, mother his own way, relatives are not supported, siblings are not there, and the pressure from the society. That will be also reason. Now, addiction and dependence. seeing that how much it is remaining. Addiction and dependence. Because of the perceived benefits, drugs are frequently used repeatedly. One time it is using, then certain benefit they are getting, then every time it is frequently using these drugs repeatedly. The most important thing is that which one fails to realize is the inherent addictive nature of alcohol and drugs. Which one failed to realize it is the inherent addictive nature only. Addictive only. One day we are using, 2 days we are using, then we are addicted to that only. Addictive means every day we are compelled to do that every day. Otherwise, some symptoms are developing in our body. So this drug also, alcohol also. Several times we are using, then we are addicted of that only. Addictive means without using that we cannot be sustained. Addiction is a psychological attachment. Addiction is a psychological attachment to certain effects such as euphoria and a temporary feeling of well-being that is associated with the drugs and alcohol. Addiction is a psychological attachment to certain effects such as euphoria and a temporary feeling of well-being associated with the drugs and alcohol. These drive people to take them even when these are not needed, or even when their use becomes self-destructive only. These drive people to take them even when these are not needed, or even when their use becomes self-destructive only. So, the person himself is destroying him. So with the repeated use of drugs, the tolerance level of the receptors present in our body increases. Tolerance, first we are using, first little amount only using. Doses are very less only. Then every time using that, afterwards that dose is not working in the body. So as a result, the amount also should be increased. That is, persistence is developing in the body. Tolerance will be developed in the body. So with the same amount using, then he is not getting the kick of that. After, as a result, the person should be increase the doses of medicine also. With the repeated use of drugs, the tolerance level of the receptors present in our body increases. Consequently, the receptors respond only to higher doses of drugs. Alcohol leading to greater intake and addiction. However, it should be clearly borne in mind that use of these drugs even once can be a forerunner to addiction only. One time also using, that is the forerunner of the addiction only. So don't want to use any drug or alcohol, even tobacco also. Be healthy. That is for the sake of everybody, not only for the society, as well as your safety also. Why this much painful disease we have to take? Thus, the addictive potential of drugs and alcohol pull the user into a vicious circle, leading to their regular use from which she or may not be able to get out. So, thus the addictive potential of drugs and alcohol pull the user into a vicious circle only, pull the user into a vicious circle, leading to their regular use from which he or she may not be able to get out. In the absence of any guidance or counseling, the person gets addicted and it becomes dependent on their use. Dependence is the tendency of the body to manifest a characteristic and unpleasant withdrawal syndromes. When suddenly one day stopping this use of tobacco, drug or alcohol, it causes some unpleasant, unfair symptoms in our body. That the symptoms are calling as withdrawal symptoms. When suddenly, when we continuously we were using this all, and suddenly we start to stop this one, some unpleasant, unfair, unhealthy withdrawal symptoms will be regulated in our body. If regular dose of drugs or alcohol is abruptly discontinued. This is characterized by anxiety, shakiness, nausea, sweating. This is characterized by anxiety, shakiness, nausea, and sweating, which may be relieved when use is resumed again. In some cases, withdrawal symptoms can be severe and even life-threatening, and the person may need medical supervision. So like that also it can be. Which are the withdrawal symptoms? See that anxiety, shakiness, full body shake. Then the person compelled to take the same that time also. Next day he or she started to stop that. Then body is shaking, unshaky, nausea, sweating all taking place. Then again day. That is the withdrawal symptom. Dependence leads to the patient to ignore all social norms in order to get sufficient funds to satiate his or her needs. This result in many social adjustment problems. The effect of drug or alcohol abuse only we are going to know. So the immediate adverse effects of drug and alcohol are manifested in the form of reckless behavior. Reckless behavior means vandalism, violence, coma, death due to respiratory failure, heart failure, hemorrhage. These all are the results of this one. A combination of drugs or their intake along with alcohol generally results in overdosing and even death also. The most common warning signs of drug and alcohol abuse among youth include drop in academic performance, unexplained absence from school or colleges, lack of interest in personal hygiene, withdrawal, isolation, depression, fatigue, aggressive, rebellious behavior, deteriorating relationship with the family and friends, loss of interest in hobbies, changes in sleeping and eating habits, fluctuations in weight, appetite, etc. So the reasons say that the immediate adverse effects of drugs and alcohol abuse are manifested in the form of reckless behavior, vandalism. Wander means going here and there, roaming like that, violence. Excessive use of drugs may lead to coma and death due to respiratory failure, heart failure, or cerebral hemorrhage. A combination of drugs or their intake along with alcohol generally results in overdosing and even death also. The most common warning signs of drugs and alcohol abuse among youth include drop in academic performance, unexplained absence from school and college, lack of interest in personal hygiene, withdrawal, isolation, depression, fatigue, aggressive and rebellious behavior, deteriorating relationship with the family and friends, loss of interest in hobbies, change in sleeping and eating habits, fluctuations in weight and appetite. So, unexplained absence from school or college, lack of interest in personal hygiene, withdrawal means not interfering with the society, isolating means separately sitting, depression, all of you knowing, fatigue, weakness, aggressive means become anger so fast, angry so fast, rebellious behavior, saying against anybody, deteriorating relationship means misusing the relationships with the family and friends, loss of interest in hobbies, change in sleeping and eating habitat, fluctuations in weight and appetite. There may be even some far-reaching implications of drug and alcohol abuse. If an abuser is unable to get money to buy drugs or alcohol, he or she may turn to stealing also. The adverse effects are just not restricted to the person who is using drugs or alcohol. At times, a drug or alcohol addict becomes the cause of mental and financial distress to his or her entire family and friends. Those who take a drug intravenously means injecting through the vein, direct injection into the vein using a needle and syringe, are much more likely to acquire serious infections like AIDS and hepatitis C. AIDS and hepatitis C. The viruses which are responsible for these diseases are transferred from one person to another by sharing of infected needles and syringes. Are transferred from one person to another by sharing of infected needles and syringes. Both AIDS and hepatitis B infections are chronic infections and ultimately fatal. Fatal means dangerous up to the death also can be occurred. AIDS can be transmitted to one's life partner through sexual contact, while hepatitis B is transmitted through infected blood also. So one who are taking drugs intravenously means injecting into the vein are much more likely to occur serious infections also, like AIDS and hepatitis. The viruses which are responsible for these diseases are transferred from one person to another by sharing of infected needles and syringes. Both AIDS and hepatitis B infections are chronic infections and ultimately fatal. AIDS can be transmitted to one's life partner through sexual contact, while hepatitis B is transmitted through infected blood. The use of alcohol during adolescence may also have long-term effects. It could lead to heavy drinking in adulthood. The chronic use of drugs and alcohol damages nervous system and the liver, that is cirrhosis. The use of drugs and alcohol during pregnancy is also known to adversely affect the fetus. Liver cirrhosis, are you heard of? The chronic use of drugs and alcohol damage the nervous system and liver cirrhosis. The use of drugs and alcohol during pregnancy is also known to adversely affect the fetus. Another misuse of drug is what certain sportspersons do to enhance their performance. They use narcotic analgesic, anabolic steroids, diuretics, certain hormones in sports to increase muscle strength and bulk and to promote aggressiveness and as a result increase athletic performance. Another misuse of drug, sports person do to enhance their performance, these drugs are using because some drugs are stimulating effectively. So they misuse narcotic analgesic, anabolic steroids, narcotic analgesic, anabolic steroids, diuretic, certain hormones in sports to increase muscle strength and bulk and to promote aggressiveness and as a result increase athletic performance. The side effects of the use of anabolic steroids in females include masculinization, means feature like a males, increased aggressiveness, anger, we become angry faster, mood changes, depression, abnormal menstrual cycle, excessive hair growth on the face and body, enlargement of clitoris, deepening of voice. In males, it includes acne, increased aggressiveness, mood swings, depression, reduction of size of testicles, decreased sperm production, potential for kidney and liver disinfection, breast enlargement, premature baldness. Baldness means the hair is going up. Baldness means enlargement of prostate gland. These effects may be permanent with prolonged use. In the adolescent male or female, severe facial and body acne, premature closure of the growth and centers of the long bones may result in tender growth. Prevention and control. The old age prevention is better than cure. That all of you heard. Prevention is better than cure. So we will be saying which are the prevention and control of alcohol. First one, avoid undue peer pressure. Every child has his or her own choice and personality. So don't compel the students or child to score in academics or as well as in another one also. So every child has his or her own choice and personality, which should be respected and nurtured. A child should not be pushed unduly or perform beyond or his or threshold limits. Everyone has their own limit of it. So don't push them. But if you study sports or any other activities, don't push. That avoid undue peer pressure. And second one, education and counseling. Educating and counseling can help you face problems and stresses and to accept disappointments and failures as a part of life. It would also be worthwhile to channelize the child's energy into healthy pursuits like sports, reading, music, yoga, and other extracurricular activities. To avoid stress, everyone have their own problem. Who is not having problem? Everyone having problem. So educate or counsel them to face problem on stresses, face the stress, to accept the disappointment. Sometimes everybody having their own disappointment and some advantages also. So accept the failures and disappointment as a part of our life. Life is a mixture of happiness and sadness. So it would also work the way to channelize the child's energy to pursuits like sports, reading, music, yoga, and other extracurricular activities. Next one is seeking help from parents and peers. Help from parents and peers should be sought immediately so that they can guide appropriately. Help may even be sought from close and trusted friends also. Trusted friends also. Besides getting proper advice to sort out their problems, this will help them to vent their feelings of unshame and guilt. Guilty also will be less because they can open their mind in the before the trusted friends, relatives, parents, and like that. Teachers also. Looking for danger signs, alert the parents and teachers needed to look for and identify the danger signs this way. Even friends, if they find someone using drugs or alcohol, should not hesitate to bring this to the notice of parents or teacher in the best interest of the person concerned. The person, you consider the person's feeling, maybe because of any reason he or she is using that, so he should be informed to his or her own parents or to the teachers. So appropriate measures would then be required to diagnose the malady and the underlying causes. This would help with initiating proper remedial steps or treatment. Next one is seeking professional and medical help. A lot of help is available in the form of highly qualified psychologist, psychiatrist, and de-addiction and rehabilitation programs. Highly qualified psychologist, psychiatrist, and de-addiction centers rehabilitation program to help individuals who have unfortunately got in the quagmire of drug or alcohol use. With such help, the affected individual with sufficient efforts and willpower can get rid of the problem completely and lead a perfectly normal and healthy life. So, for 5 reasons are there. 5. This is some of the measures mentioned here would be particularly useful for prevention and control of alcohol and drug abuse among adolescents. So avoid undue peer pressure, education and counseling, seeking help from parents and peers, looking for danger signs, seeking professional and medical help. By that we have completed the lesson also. And all of you knowing that this 27th we are having the unit test 2, unit test 2. 3 lessons are included. For 2 lessons I took the test. Third lesson you have to prepare. First and 2 lessons. It is the first test in this year by board. Question paper is preparing by the board only. So I think that all of you have to prepare well. By seeing this all test board is deciding that this time studies and all are not there in the school properly. So by seeing this mark, how last year, how CBSE and all done, according to their performance only mark is given by the board. Like that a decision may be body taken, I am not sure, may be body taken. This all mark will be considered. What I meant understood. So at this time also this condition is prolonging. The board is deciding that instead of taking the exams, some mark is included by seeing their performance all over the year. So this mark is also very important at that time. Understood? So all of you will take care of that also. Along with that, I have a request for you. You have to write the journal also. Any doubt about the journal, you have to ask in WhatsApp also. In biology WhatsApp group also already we have made. In that also you ask to start to do. So this topic only today we have covered. Drugs and alcohol. This one question will be asked because as you are also in the adolescent age, you should be know the importance of this one. So one question will be asked from this portion also. So best of luck to all of you. I think that you all are preparing well. Preparing well. Question paper sent. How it was taken for the physics and all, like that question paper sent on the day. Board only is preparing the question paper. So